Welcome back. In this lesson, I will give you more details on what's inside the kit and how we could learn fashion designing hands-on with the equipment inside. Let's start unboxing this. I am super excited. Once you open the kit, you will find a sketchbook and a stationery kit. We will use these to make structures and designs on paper. Board to help create concept, mood and color board. Don't worry, I'll get into the details in some time. Toolbox to help us with building designs on cloth. Fabrics and basic blocks to convert our idea from paper to reality. Mannequin to understand how our designs would look when worn and to add some finishing touches. Parent supervision. Please ensure to use sharp equipment with care and under parent or adult supervision for your own safety. See you soon.